I bought a guitar I could not play. Not one song. That was on a Sunday morning in spring. I was walking through the street market near my apartment. I go there most Sundays, but I never buy anything. There was a long table with old things on it. Old clocks, chipped cups, and books with soft gray covers. At the end of the table, there was a guitar. The wood was brown, and it was darker near the strings. One string was missing. The man behind the table saw me looking at it. "It only needs one new string," he said. He picked it up and turned it slowly in his hands. "Somebody played this for many years," he said. I asked him the price. It was less than my dinner the night before. I thought about it for maybe 10 seconds. Then I paid, and I carried it home under my arm. On Monday I bought one new string for it. I put the string on wrong, and it came off again. The second time, it stayed. Now the guitar had 6 strings and no music. I played a little when I was 15. I remembered that part very clearly. My hands remembered nothing. I sat on my bed and put the guitar on my knee. I pressed my fingers down on the strings. The sound was flat and dead and wrong. I tried again, slower. It was worse. I found a simple song on my phone. The video said it was easy for beginners. The man in the video moved his fingers like water. Mine moved like old doors. After 20 minutes, my fingertips hurt. After 30 minutes, I stopped. I put the guitar in the corner of the room. The first week, I looked at it every day. The second week, I looked at it on Saturday. After a month, I did not look at it at all. It stood in the corner and collected dust. One evening I came home tired and hung my coat on it. The next evening I did the same thing. Soon it was only the place where my coat lived. In July, Emma came to my apartment for dinner. She saw the coat first. Then she saw what was under the coat. "You have a guitar," she said. "I have a guitar," I said. "But I cannot play it." She lifted my coat off it and sat down on the floor. "Play something," she said. I told her the truth. I could not play anything at all. She did not laugh, and she did not change the subject. "Then play one string," she said. I looked at her for a moment. "One string?" "One string." So I sat down on the floor, and I played one string. It sounded exactly like one string. Emma clapped, very slowly, for a long time. Then she said something I did not expect. "That is one string more than yesterday." It was a silly thing to say. I laughed until my face hurt. After she went home, I did not put the guitar back in the corner. I stood it next to my bed. The next night I played 2 strings. Then I learned where to put 3 fingers. I practiced 10 minutes before sleep, most nights. Some nights it sounded a little like music. Most nights it did not. One morning, Mr. Lee stopped me in the hallway. "Somebody plays music at night," he said. I said I was sorry about the noise. He shook his head and smiled at me. "Do not stop," he said. 3 months after the market, I played one whole song. It was slow, and I made 2 mistakes. I played it again and made 1 mistake. Then I sat in the quiet room with the guitar on my knee. Now the guitar is not in the corner. It stands next to my bed. My coat is on the chair, where coats go. And on Friday evenings, Emma comes for dinner. She always says the same thing. "Play one string." And I play the whole song. Thank you for listening to Slow English Listening, and come back soon for a new story.